Well, here we are again. Found this beastie on the side of the road. It's Green's collection at the moment, and this nice big fat jade tree has been hacked at the bottom. The size of this. Hacked off at the bottom. Now, being that they're so tough, I can actually cut this right back, reshape it, and make a really nice bonsai, I think. Little tip, once you've actually cut a section off, I'm going to cut a section off the bottom, get rid of this branch and make another tree out of that. Smear it with honey on the bottom and stick it in a nice sandy soil, and it should actually start re-rooting. It'll take a while because this is a good 6 inches through, 6 inches thick at the base. So we'll see how we go. Now, as I said before, it's now skinned. Basically, I've chopped every bit of scrappy bits, all the different parts that are on it, and flattened off the end. I haven't decided on whether to get rid of this one yet, because what I can do is actually just literally rest it about an inch in the soil and lots of honey plastered on the base, and then you just stick it in the pot and wait. With nice soil here. Got a sandy soil. It's nice sandy soil. I'll go and grab my honey and put it in the pot. Got my honey. All I have to do is get a nice amount of sticky stuff. This is great on all succulents. It works well. Jade trees, different types of succulents, even ficus. Certain ficus, you can use honey. Put that out of the way. Literally just drizzled it on, as you can see there. And now I'll just literally rest that in the pot. Give it a bit of a squish down. Now I need to actually rest this because it's very heavy one side. It'll just fall over. So I'll go find a place for this to rest up. And all I'm doing is waiting for the roots to grow. Once they've actually started shooting, then I'll be able to cut back more, shape it more, and as it is now, it'll concentrate solely on the roots, regaining its roots. Don't worry about chopping it back so much. Especially all this, I can cut back even more of this, and yeah, make even more bonsais out of it too. So with the rest of this stuff, lots of different cuttings, different sizes, different shapes. Now if you're keen on getting more plants, there's heaps you can do with this, because it's all straggly bits. There's loads of pieces you can use to turn into bonsais. Just chopping them right down into small trees. You can actually see a nice little tree there, little branch. Chop all the rubbish off, plant that, and you've got another little bonsai. Easy stuff.